don't want to be near it, do you? Careful of the old blue light, purple light,
Green light loss.
green light last, then explosion. So you ready for the explosion, guys? Go on, it can happen. Watch.
There's the green.
White,
Colours
no,
in green.
that's blue. Pink again. No, it's just go. It's not gone green yet at all. That's fucking gorgeous, isn't it? That's about green, but we're doing it to destruction, aren't we, this time? We've already done it, so yeah. Just carry on. What happens when it destructs? Have you seen it explode or anything?
Only once. And not, the bulb normally melts, it doesn't explode.
Oh, fuck it, this!